hope you're all okay. Now, this week we have been learning about growth, and I know some of you have been having a go at planting yourself, and we've been learning lots about Jasper's beanstalk. So, I would like to talk to you today about something called the life cycle of a plant. Okay, let's get started. So, from a seed to a plant. The first step in the life cycle of a plant is the seed needs to be planted in the soil. The seeds can be planted in a pot or inside the ground outside. So some of you might have had a go at planting and you might have planted them in a little pot. And then when they get a bit bigger, you plant them in your garden. What do you think you need to help that plant grow? Have a little think for a moment. What do we need to help plants grow? Good ideas. Should we have a look? To make a plant grow, you will need 3 things: water, sunlight, and soil. So all those 3 things help you to make a plant grow. Once the seed is planted in the soil and watered, it will take 1 to 2 weeks, like my plant did, before it starts to grow. This is a big science word. My turn. Germination. Well done. Once the seed germinates, it will start to sprout like this has, and roots will appear. Roots are the things, the white little stringy bits that are at the bottom of the plant. The roots will help the plant get food and water from the soil. In the next few weeks, the seed will begin to push through the soil, and it is now a seedling. It is still very thin, tiny during this stage, and the roots will anchor it into the soil and keep it from blowing away. So that's what the roots do. They hold the plant in the ground, so when a big gust of wind comes, it won't blow away. As the seedling continues to grow, it will begin to get leaves, and the stem will grow. This part is the stem. Can you see that? And it will grow longer and longer. The stem helps the plant stand upright, like this. The stem also delivers water from the roots through the tiny tubes. The leaves soak up the light and the air to make food for the plant. This process is called, big science word again, photosynthesis. A bud will begin to appear. This is called the bud on the plant, and it will turn into a flower. Depending on the type of seed planted, the flower may turn into either a fruit or a vegetable, or just stay a flower. Seeds are located in the centre of the flower, just here. That means in the middle. Oh, let me go back. There we go. Sorry about that. Once the plant stops growing, it will drop seeds onto the ground. Some seeds are spread by the wind or by animals. So sometimes when a big gust of wind comes, it blows seeds everywhere, and that's why sometimes in your garden you might find some dandelions, you might find some poppies, because the wind has blew the seeds into your garden. I get lots of dandelions in my garden. These seeds will begin to grow in the soil, and the life cycle of the plant will repeat. It'll start all over again, won't it? Now here's some questions to have a little think about. What do you think would happen if a plant did not have any sunlight or water? What do you think will happen? Have a little think. Would it grow? Why does a plant need roots? Can you remember? Why does the plant need roots? Have a think. What do the leaves of the plant do? What do the leaves do? Can you remember? How does a plant grow new plants? And if you could plant a garden, what kind of seeds would you plant? Have a little think about those questions and talk to a grown-up about them, and have a little talk about the life cycle of a plant. And maybe today, could you draw me a picture of the life cycle of a plant? And then your grown-ups can take a picture and send them in to your teachers. That'd be great. I hope you enjoyed this and you have a great day. Bye.